Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Stair Experts. We're standing inside Sector 55 Sushant Lok Phase 2. This specific location connects you to the main golf course road, and moving a little forward will connect you towards the golf course extension. This plot size is 180 square yards, which is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen. Let's get started with the configuration of this house. The place where we are standing right now, this is the table for 6 dining space. This is your formal living space of the house. That's the place you'll hang your air conditioning system. Over the ceiling that you'll see, you've got 2 square designs, one on the dining section, one on this formal living section. This wall is kept empty. It's all white, pure white, all white. Havells के फैंस हैं, क्रॉम्पटन के फैंस हैं, ऑल वाइट. एंड पूरा का पूरा अगर आप सिमेट्री देखेंगे इसका पूरा वाइट है क्योंकि आपकी कस्टमाइजेशन के हिसाब से छोड़ा हुआ है. ऊपर में सीलिंग में आप देखेंगे एलईडी लाइट्स इसमें इल्यूमिनेशन कर रही हैं. This is the balcony space moving in the front. This is UPVC used. This is a fixed window. You've got a slider door. This is a mesh door, again to protect you from the mosquitoes. This is a running balcony of this 180 square yard property. This is a textured wall, natural stone on the surface. This is again a natural stone on the railings. ये आपका metal की railings है, heritage design थोड़ा सा दिया हुआ है. Ceiling पे you've got 3 to 4 lights. Let's get inside. जाने से पहले एक बारी थोड़ा सा उधर की surroundings दिखा दीजिए. That's it. Come. This is the formal living space, the formal dining. Let's get started with the first bedroom. Before we get started with the first bedroom, this is the entrance, this is the foyer area. This is your surveillance camera system, which will help you to see who's coming down inside your house, and you will be able to monitor daily basis, and then only if you give the permission to the person who you want to come upstairs, then only he'll be having that access. This is the first room of the house. You've got the tiling work done on the surface. The left wall, here you can place your air conditioning system. The left wall as well stays empty. ये white paint करा हुआ है wall पे काफ़ी अच्छा, और ceiling का design square है. You have a balcony connected in the front. This is the balcony space. Again, the same balcony which we've showed you before is shared with the formal living space. This is the tap area, that's your drainage vessel. Come inside. This is the entry towards the washroom of the house. You've got a countertop, an Italian stone, a beautiful Duravit vanity. Sanitary fittings are all by Jaguar. This is your washers area where you take the shower. That's the rain head on your ceiling. A wall mount commode seat. This is your geyser, a beautiful mirror given here, and that's your wardrobe section. इधर से एक बारी wardrobe दिखा दीजिए please. This is your wardrobe section. This complete is wardrobe. A beautiful wardrobe has been given here with a good quality door. On the surface, it's all tile work done. This is the passage area, and that's your hallway. This is the kitchen on the right hand side. Let's get inside the second bedroom of the house. This is a small second bedroom of this house. A plain wall again on the left, right, center, opposite to me. Grouping has been done on the ceiling. This is a beautiful group design, and the cornice has been given a square shape. These are all modular switches. You've got the ceiling fan, Crompton. This is the provisioning for your air conditioning system. When I move in the front, this is your closet. This is your closet space. As usual, the vanity stays to be beautiful. Tiling work है सारा का सारा, दीवारों पे भी और surface पे. You've got a round mirror which has an LED recessed with this. This is all sanitary fittings by Jaguar. A wall mount commode seat, your showers area, that's your rain head, that's your exhaust fan, and you've got the ventilation window. This is your towel stand here. A beautiful washroom that I must say in a very small place which they have given. यहाँ पर मैं इन्होंने एक स्पेस ऐसा दे दिया है, बॉर्डर दे दिया, यहाँ पर आप ड्रापरी रॉड्स वगैरह लगवा सकते हो. This is your mesh door, again UPVC fixed door and a sliding door. This is the balcony area. Balcony area में metal की railings है, natural stone है. आसपास की surroundings देखोगे, you've got back to back your homes, but still they have a distance maintained. This is AO Smith का आपका geyser. This is the split air conditioner का external यहाँ लगेगा. That's your wet area and the drainage vessel. This is a running balcony. This is also connected with the last bedroom of the house, which we will cover now. This is the third bedroom of this house. Tiling work on the surface. Walls, as usual, theme is rectangular. In this room, you've got the closet. This is your closet section. A beautiful, good quality closet you have. You've got the air conditioning system का इधर provisioning है. Tiling work done on the wall and on the surface wall mount commode seat. You've got AO Smith का geyser. A square shaped glass mirror. Besides this, इसके पीछे में पूरा LED lights का illumination दिया हुआ है. This is all recessed. This sanitary fittings are all by Jaguar and Grohe. You've got Italian top on the vanity design. This is a bowl design which they've given us. Come inside. This is your shower section. Rain head on the ceiling. All sanitary fittings are by Jaguar. This is a glass partition given here, and this also has one level above the surface so the water doesn't flow the other side. Last but not the least, this is the balcony. A small balcony, but once you see, this is a huge balcony space shared with the second bedroom of the house. So this is how they have balanced the space. Let's cover up the kitchen, which is last but not the least. ये ऐसे में दरवाजा है, ग्लास इसमें लगा हुआ है बीच में. This is your kitchen area. Here is the place where you park your refrigerator. All tiling work done on the wall. A natural stone countertop, stain free. This is to keep your cutlery, your stuff, multi-grains. Chimney by CAF, modular switches. You've got 2 sink, washers vessel, all sanitary fittings by Jaguar. This is your ventilation shaft. यहाँ पर मैं गीजर दिया हुआ है, वहाँ पर दिखा दीजिए. इधर में गीजर भी दिया हुआ है वो सामने. So that's how the space is utilized here. That's your exhaust fan by Havells. On this surface you'll see all tiling work. These are some storage spaces. I'm so sorry, this just got banged. Come inside. ये पूरा का पूरा शेल्फ दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर आपका सामान रखने के लिए. So that's how the space is utilized. So now finally time to sign off. Thank you so very much for watching. This was Anupam Gambhir live from Estate Experts. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up. We are on a very beautiful location. I would want to show you the surroundings, but due to some hinges, I'm not able to showcase the complete surrounding. But yes, surely this location is the perfect for a family who's looking to get themselves a beautiful house. Thank you.